Okay, today is the Science Week 25, and this is day 3 of science. So this is your assessment day, as you know, and you should expect that by now. What you're going to do on this very first part is you're going to answer the question that they have given you here. They want you to look at the picture that's above and then think about the time of day it is. And so think about why, when it got dark outside, you noticed you couldn't see the color or detail on your friend's t-shirt anymore. And you're going to answer the question, why not? Why couldn't you see the detail like you could earlier when it was light? The second part of your assessment is on this page, and you're going to create a model. You're going to use the items that they've shown in the arrow tool to create a model to show how you might shine a flashlight to reflect across the room. There is a little video there which tells you how to rotate items and how to draw arrows. Please watch that video so that you can know how to do this, and then it won't be so confusing. You're going to be able to take your flashlight and you'll be able to move that, and you'll be able to move the mirror over to your page over here so that you can make your model. After you've made your model, then the second part there is to explain what is happening. And this is really important. You need to use the words light source, light, and reflect in your explanation. Very important that you do that. Those are there. That's the way you're going to earn a 4 on this assessment. Page, as usual, is your rubric. There are 2 parts to this assessment. So part 1 is that you're going to be explaining about the color and the detail on the t-shirts, and you can explain support your explanation with observations that you have made in this lesson. And then part 2 is your model. And so you're going to talk about your model is correct. It shows how light moves and reflects using arrows. And then the second part of that question was that you were able to explain your model and correctly describe the path that light takes in my model by using the word light source, light, and reflect. Remember that those 3 words are really important for you to use, and that's why they're part of the instructions. Good luck with this and have fun.